Today I am covering a topic on science and tech intersecting with astrogeography. In recent times, NASA and its partners like European Space Agency launched a moon mission known as Artemis 2nd. So Artemis 2nd was a moon mission. This moon mission was with four crew members traveling to moon in a trajectory known as flyby moon. Flyby moon is traveling around the moon on the faraway side of moon and with using lunar gravity to return to earth with safety. So that is called gravity assist. The flyby moon is a moon mission traveling to far side of moon closer to lunar surface without landing and using gravity of moon to repel and return to earth. So if a moon mission is there, if a space mission is there and if it is traveling above and beyond atmosphere of earth, so that is known as deep space. So Artemis 2nd was a deep space mission. It was a flyby moon mission with four crew members. And it was used for exploration and surveying of lunar surface on far away site. Now let us come down to technological aspect of Artemis 2nd. This mission was launched with the help of a launch vehicle known as Space Launch System, SL in short. It was a two-stage launch vehicle with the ability to lift a super heavy payload known as Orion. Now it was named as Integrity by four crew members. And it was an expendable launch vehicle, means its parts and components are not recovered and reused. Opposite of expendable launch vehicle is a reusable launch vehicle. So remember that space launch system was not a reusable launch vehicle, it was an expendable one. Now let us come down to Orion. The payload of space launch system was known as Orion, which was later renamed as Integrity, with its two components. First component was known as crew module. It was used for inhabitation of four crew members with safety environment as they travel in deep space. So it was a safe environment and ecosystem for four crew members traveled with Orion. This crew module was integrated with European service module. It was equipment module, and as name suggests, it was contributed by European Space Agency, a partner of NASA in space exploration. It was uninhabited part of Orion Integrity. It was mostly used for powering and propulsion of Orion crew module. it was partially expendable. As the Orion returned to Earth and entered into re-entry environment through the atmospheric top, it was ejected and burnt. Now let us come down to usefulness of Artemis 2nd. So remember that Artemis 2nd is succession of Artemis 1st, which was a lunar mission, fly-by lunar mission without crew members. And Artemis 2nd has provided data and facts to be further used for a moon mission with crew members to land on lunar surface and further deep space exploration with crew members on Mars and other celestial objects. It was used for studying human immunity in deep space environment, as the saliva of 4 crew members was collected before, during, and after the journey. In this lunar exploration, optical communication was used rather than sound waves, and that was the use of the laser in near infrared range. It was also used for testing working of human tissues and organs in deep space, how they work, what are the effects of deep space environment and related conditions on working of human cells, tissues, and organs, and most importantly, vital organs. It was also used for studying pattern of sleep, behavior pattern of 4 crew members, functioning of various components and systems was tested, assessed to enable development of a landing mission on moon and a manned mission on planets like Mars. Thank you.